Hey everybody, Richard here with Camel City Roofing. If you've had a new roof quoted recently, you might have noticed how expensive shingles have become. But just how much have prices gone up? Let's take a quick look. So this chart above me is from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, which shows the producer price index for asphalt shingles and roofing materials. Now this index is based on 1984 prices set to 100. So for years, prices stayed relatively stable. But look what happened after 2005. Started to rise a little bit, and then a sharp spike during the 2008 recession. Some ups, some downs, and then boom, around 2020, prices skyrocketed. So, what caused this? Well, it's a mix of factors: supply chain disruptions, inflation, and rising oil prices, since asphalt shingles are a petroleum based product. And it's not slowing down. Another price increase has already been announced for April 1st, which means roofing costs are about to climb even higher. So, what's the big takeaway? If you're considering a roof replacement, don't wait for prices to drop. They may not, and my thought is they're not going to. But at Camel City Roofing, we help homeowners navigate these costs with transparent pricing and financing options. So, if you're thinking about getting a new roof, reach out. Let's make sure you get the best value before prices going up again. Have a good day.